What's up guys, it's Chris with Globus Gates here. What's the weakest point of your house in terms of security? It's obviously side gates. That's why you need to get yourself something like that. Imagine climbing this thing. That is absolutely no way, guys. This right here, tall side gates, we just completed for one of the houses here in Santa Monica area. And check it out. This door is made completely out of aluminum. You know how it goes. It's rust-free, maintenance-free material, made in US by Globus Gates, powder coated in US by us as well. We do everything in-house, fabrication, installation. We got you covered on everything, and we get some sleek designs just like this one. This we call full privacy design with our Alu 40 series. It's 4-inch aluminum slats, tubing, structural aluminum grade, like I said earlier in the previous videos. You know how it goes. This door is not going anywhere. This is super solid door, super solid, guys. There's absolutely no way you can even mess with this door, okay? So in Globus Gates, you already know we got you the best price possible on aluminum gates. We can get custom designs, custom colors, you name it. We got you covered from A to Z. We come to your house, install the gates, no drama. We're licensed, bonded, and insured. So from A to Z, your job is done the right way. And you already know the USA way. That's how we do the job. And that's another side gate done for this same job. Completely matching design, all aluminum as well. So some areas, they actually right now allow building the gates so tall, like up to 8 feet high. That's no problem, guys. Give us a call, we'll give you a free consultation. Maybe in your specific area, it is possible to make the gates a little bit higher. So we have a lot of ex-cops clients as our clients. So they say, hey, Chris, the most vulnerable part of your home is actually your side gates, because that's the weakest point where everybody can just hop over. So that's why you need to get yourself a nice tall gate just like this one. And I'm not short, I'm like 6 foot, whatever you call it. But this one, this is a tall gate, guys. Super secure. Globus Gates, we specialize in security and heavy duty custom aluminum gates and metal gates as well. Check our Instagram page for some designs and you'll find what you like 100%.